Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create an image block in your checkout page. So I will show you one example. In many Shopify checkout pages, you might have seen some image blocks like this in the Shopify store. So I'll be explaining how you can create similar kind of blocks in your online store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this setup, I'm using Checkout Extension Ninja app. I have downloaded it from Shopify App Store. I will be attaching the links to this app in the description box. You can just check it out and follow along with me. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So let's get started. First, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can click on Create New Blog. There will be some default templates with different blogs available in the on clicking Create button. So you can just explore through this and you can choose any if you want. Otherwise, you can just close it and click on Add Block. Now you'll have to select for or search for image block particularly. So you can see the image block has been shown up here. So let's click on Add to Checkout. First thing, you have to give a proper title. Let's say like image block itself, because it will be easily identified from my list of rules. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this. So what happens then is this block will be available only when the certain given condition is met. So on clicking add new visibility condition, you might have seen some more options here in this list. So you can go through this and add the conditions as your wish. So otherwise you can just keep it disabled. So the block will be available at the checkout always. So clicking on image block, you can see the configuration uh, area. So nothing to do more thing, like just click on open file browser and you can choose the image from this. Otherwise you can click on add media and add your image or media to this file, and then you can select the document or file. So I'm just going with this. So clicking on done, then you can change the resolution. 1 to 4 options are available. Let's go with 3 then, and done. So this is a very simple setup. After saving, you will be getting some block details. In the block details, you will be getting some block ID. So copy this block ID and you can open the checkout editor page. Now you have to add our block to this checkout page. So clicking on custom block and at the checkout, you will be getting some block ID field. We have to paste our ID which we have copied earlier to this field. So you can see that the custom block has been created here successfully. And you can just place this block to anywhere else in the app section so that it will be available in the section wherever you want. Like I'm just dragging this to the order summary or the or last to the order summary, so you can see that the block has replaced to this area. I have already done one earlier, so I'm not planning to add one more. So yeah, I'm keeping only one now, and after this you can just save it. So that's how you can create a image block in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.